Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're to the point now where we need to work on our templates and our HTML. But I was trying to do this video a couple times and I realized that I really need to do a half step on how to look at, how to control, basically creating new files, how we want to do it, and path management. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So and we could be using another editor, but you can run into challenges, and this channel is based around somebody with zero experience. So I'm going to show you how to view all of the files and all of the directories in Notepad, and then I'm going to show you in DOS through how we're going to show how to add a file, add a folder in Notepad, how to add a file with the prompt, and then how to add a with our Python. So all right, let's look here at Notepad++. Now if you're using Sublime or PyCharm, it's probably you already probably have it set over here, but I want to show you this. I'm going to show you multiple ways. So if you go to plugins, and if you don't already have Explorer here, because it's going to be Explorer that we're gonna hit. All right, there it is. But if you do not have Explorer, come down here to plugins, admin, and for you it would be under available, and it would be right there. You click it, and I'll show you install, and it may want you to restart it, but mine is already here and already clicked. So plugins, Explorer, and I pull up Explorer. So here I am. So we're going to be adding a folder, a templates folder. Django looks there first, and then we're going to do some stuff to it. Then we need to bring in a couple more modules, render, but let's do this first. So we're going to be adding to our polls. And to remind you, tree, let's back out here a little bit. CD. So here we are with tree, and then so we can see our entire project. And can you guys see that? Boom, there it is. A little bit. Perfect. It still fits. Okay. Oh, we're missing an init, but that's okay. And then over here, as you can see, whoops, did not mean to do that. Sorry, guys. I was on the wrong screen. My mouse was, all right. That's the bad thing about recording. So, all right, here we go. So if you look really close, this is the same. So I have my project, then my site, then I can get into it, and it pops down here. So we're going to be adding template, a folder here. So we can go new folder, then you type in templates right there. One way. The next way is we go dir, so we need to get into my site. So cd my site, then inside polls, right? Cd, let's just make sure. Okay, cd polls. And then check this out, because we know, let's see, make dir, create a directory. So we could literally just type our make directory right here, but we're using Python, right? So when I call Python right here, so I'm in Django projects, my site, polls, right? So I call in Python. I import os.get current working directory. If you do not know this, you have not looked at our OS module. I've gone through almost every single method or function inside there. So, oh, look at this. Here we are. So if I were to call os dot, well, let's look, help os dot make dir. So create a directory. So I'm here, os.make dir, and I just want templates. Now, this takes path. So right now, I'm where I want to. I could type the absolute path, and guess what? If you've not seen the absolute or relative path video, go and search that, and that explains what I'm doing here. I'm doing a relative path. So I'm already in my polls directory, my poll path, this path right here, and I'm then creating a new directory right here. Boom. So I quit, back out, then I run dir, and here I am right here. So that is 3 separate ways you can do it, of course. This is the reinforced learning, just like I always say. So as you can see here, we're almost at 6 minutes. That's why this ended up being its own video in and of itself. But as always, guys, I know this can be very challenging, so please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests, any gaps that I may have created or caused any confusion. So please drop them down below, and I'll knock them out and answer them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.